Hello everyone, this is Mamta Moon and today we will solve some self-practice exercise 2D of chapter 2, second chapter, whole number of class 6 of New Learning Method Composite Mathematics textbook. Let's get started. What we will learn today? Today we will learn about self-practice exercise 2D, questions 1 to 5 of chapter whole number, order of operation. Topic is order of operation of whole numbers. Before we solve the exercise questions, let's discuss about what is the Bodmas rule, that is the precedence. How to operate the calculation in whole number. Bodmas rule means precedence. That is the which operation performed first. B for bracket. First perform the bracket operation, that is inside the bracket operation first perform. Then second is off operation then perform. Then third is division and multiplication. Division and multiplication have equal priority, so the equal priority operations are performed from left to right. So division and multiplication performed if in a statement, if in an expression division and multiplication are there, then first division and multiplication performed from left to right. Then fourth is addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction also have equal priority, so they perform from left to right. Let's solve first question. First question is which operation should be done first in simplifying each numerical expression below. First bit is 6 plus 7, that is inside the bracket, multiplied with 5. 6 plus 7 inside the bracket multiplied with 5. First bracket, we know from Bodmas rule, bracket operation performed first. So inside the bracket, that is 6 plus 7 performed first. 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 multiplied with 5, we get 65. First bracket operation performed, 6 plus 7 is 13, then multiplied with 5. 13 multiplied with 5 is 65. Now we will solve question number second bit B. 9 divided by 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is inside the bracket. We know from Bodmas rule, first bracket operation is performed. So inside the bracket, we calculate that number. 3 minus 2 is 1. Then we divide with 9. 9 divided by 1 is 9. If you know, when we divide a whole number with 1, we get the same whole number. पहले हमको पता है कि बोडमास रूल, अकॉर्डिंग टू बोडमास रूल, पहले हम ब्रैकेट इनसाइड द ब्रैकेट में जो है उसको कैलकुलेट करेंगे, फिर ऑफ, देन एडिशन, देन डिवीजन एंड मल्टीप्लिकेशन, फिर एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन को कैलकुलेट करेंगे. तो यहाँ पे पहले ब्रैकेट के अंदर जो है ऑपरेशन, उसको हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे. ब्रैकेट के अंदर में है सब्ट्रैक्शन 3 माइनस 2. 3 माइनस 2 इज 1. फिर डिवीजन करेंगे. डिवीजन 9 के साथ डिवाइड करने से हमको 9 डिवाइडेड बाय 1 इज 9. हमको पता है कि किसी भी होल नंबर को 1 के साथ डिवाइड करने से वो सेम होल नंबर ही मिलता है. सो 9 डिवाइडेड बाय 1 इज 9. तो हमको मिला 9 डिवाइडेड बाय 3 माइनस 2 इक्वल टू 9. Now we will solve question number third bit C. 6 plus 2 multiplied with 7. 2 multiplied with 7 is inside the bracket. As we know from Bodmas rule, for first bracket operation will be performed. So inside the bracket multiplication is there. So multiplication, first we multiply this number 6 to multiply with 7. 2 multiplied with 7 we get 14. Then addition operation will be performed. So 6 plus 14 is 20. पहले हमको 2 मल्टीप्लाइड विथ 7 जो ब्रैकेट के अंदर में है 2 मल्टीप्लाइड विथ 7 उसको पहले हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे अकॉर्डिंग टू वर्मास रूल। ब्रैकेट इनसाइड द ब्रैकेट जो ब्रैकेट के अंदर में उसको कैलकुलेट करेंगे। 2 मल्टीप्लाइड विथ 7 इज 14। फिर हम एडिशन ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म कैलकुलेट करेंगे। 6 प्लस 14 इज 6 प्लस 14 हमको मिला 20। तो हमको मिला 6 प्लस 2 मल्टीप्लाइड विथ 7 इक्वल 2 प्लस 2 मल्टीप्लाइड विथ 7 जो ब्रैकेट के अंदर में है 6 पहले उसको कैलकुलेट करेंगे। 2 मल्टीप्लाइड विथ 7 इज 14। फिर 14 को 6 के साथ ऐड करेंगे। 6 प्लस 14 इज 20। तो 6 प्लस 2 मल्टीप्लाइड विथ 7 इक्वल टू 20। Now we will solve question number 4th bit D. 15 minus 8 plus 4. As we know from Bodmas rule, first bracket, then off, then division and multiplication, then addition and subtraction. Here addition and subtraction operation is there. So addition and subtraction have equal priority. So we perform from left to right. From left to right, first is perform this subtraction. 15 minus 8. First we subtract 15 minus 8. We get 7. Is 15 minus 8 is from left to right we perform. First we perform the subtraction operation. 15 minus 8 is 7. Then we add 7 with 4. 7 plus 4 is 11. Addition and subtraction have equal priority, equal precedence. So they perform from left to right. पहले एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन में इक्वल प्रायोरिटी इक्वल प्रेसिडेंस होता है। सो पहले हम सब्ट्रैक्शन करेंगे। 15 माइनस 8, 15 माइनस 8 इज 7। फिर 7 को 4 के साथ ऐड करेंगे। 7 प्लस 4 इज 11। अकॉर्डिंग टू बोडमास रूल, फर्स्ट वी परफॉर्म ब्रैकेट, फिर ऑफ, फिर मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन, फिर एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन। यहाँ पे एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑपरेशन है। एडिशन हमको पता है एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन में इक्वल प्रेसिडेंस इक्वल प्रायोरिटी होता है। सो हम जो इक्वल प्रायोरिटी ऑपरेशन विल बी परफॉर्म फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट। सो यहाँ पे सब्ट्रैक्शन विल बी परफॉर्म फर्स्ट एज इट इज फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट। 15 माइनस 8 इज 7। 7 प्लस 4 इज 11। 15 माइनस 8 इज 7। फिर उसको 7 को 4 के साथ ऐड करेंगे। 7 प्लस 4 इज 11। So 15 minus 8 plus 4 is 11. Now we'll solve question number 5th bit E. 8 divided by 4 plus 6. 8 divided by 4 plus 6. As we know from Bodmas rule, first division and multiplication will be performed. Then addition and subtraction. Next addition and subtraction will be performed. Division has the high priority than addition. Here division will be performed first. 8 divided by 4 is 2. First we perform this 8 divided by 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Then 2 is added with 6. Then addition will be performed. 2 plus 6 is 8. Now we will solve question number 6th bit F. 11 plus 14 divided by 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1 is inside the bracket. As we know from Borma's rule, first bracket operation will be performed. Bracket have higher precedence, so 6 plus 7 will be performed first. 6 plus 1 is 6 plus 1 will be 7. Then we know division and multiplication have high priority than addition and subtraction. So here 11 plus 14 divided by 7. Here addition is there and division is there. So we know, as we know from Borma's rule, division have high priority than addition. So first we calculate this division, then we added with 11. Then add the number that we get, add the number with 11. First we perform this division. 14 divided by 7 is 2. Then 2 is added with 11. As first division operation will be performed, then addition will be performed. So 11 plus 2 is 13. As we know from Borma's rule, first bracket, then division and multiplication, then addition and subtraction. Here bracket operation will be performed first. Bracket have higher precedence, then addition, then division operation will be performed. Division have higher priority than precedence, so division will be performed. 14 divided by 7 is 2. Then addition will be performed at last. 11 plus 2 is 13. Now we will solve question number 2. Question number 2 is simplify each expression. First bit is 27 minus 11 plus 4. 27 minus 11 plus 4. As we know from Borma's rule, addition and subtraction have equal priority. So equal priority operation will be performed from left to right. So first subtraction is in left side. So first we will perform this subtraction. 27 minus 11 is 16. Then we add 16 with 4. Then addition will be performed. 16 plus 4 is 20. Subtraction and addition have equal priority, equal precedence. So operation of equal priority are performed from left to right. So subtraction will be performed first, then addition will be performed. And subtraction is from first in left side, so subtraction will be performed first, then addition will be performed. 27 minus 11 is 16, then 16 add with 4, 16 added with 4 we get 20. हमको पता है कि एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन में इक्वल प्रायोरिटी इक्वल प्रेसिडेंट होता है. सो पहले हम जो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में जो ऑपरेशन है पहले हम उसको कैलकुलेट करेंगे, फिर राइट हैंड साइड का ऑपरेशन को कैलकुलेट करेंगे. यहाँ पे पहले सब्ट्रैक्शन है, लेफ्ट साइड में फर्स्ट सब्ट्रैक्शन है, तो पहले हम सब्ट्रैक्शन करेंगे. 27 माइनस 11 इज 16. फिर 16 को 4 के साथ ऐड करेंगे. 16 प्लस 4 इज 20. सो 27 माइनस 11 प्लस 4 इज 20. Now we will solve question number second bit B. 28 minus 8, that is inside the bracket, divided with 4. 28 minus 8 is inside the bracket, divided with 4. As we know from Borma's rule, first bracket operation will be performed first. So 28 minus 8 is inside the bracket, so we calculate this subtraction that is inside the bracket. 28 minus 8 is 20. Then division will be performed. Division calculation will be performed second. 20 divided with 4 is 5. पहले जो ब्रैकेट के अंदर में है 28 माइनस 8 उसको हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे. 28 माइनस 8 इज 20. from Bodmer's rule, first bracket operation will be performed, then bracket has higher priority, then डिवीजन। पहले हम 28 माइनस 8 को अब कैलकुलेट करेंगे। 28 माइनस 8 इज 20, फिर 4 के साथ डिवाइड करेंगे। 20 डिवाइडेड बाय 4 इज 5। सो 28 माइनस 8 divided by 4 is 5. Now we solve question number third bit C. 136 minus 100 divided by 5. 136 minus 100 divided by 5. It you know from Verma's rule, division and multiplication have high priority, high precedence than addition and subtraction. So we perform this division operation will be performed first, then we perform this subtraction. First we calculate this division. 100 divided by 5 is 20. Then we subtract 20 from 136. 136 minus 20 equal to 160. As you know from Bodmer's rule, division has higher precedence than subtraction. So division will be performed first, then subtraction will be performed. हमको पता है कि बोडमास रूल में पहले डिवीजन मल्टीप्लिकेशन के बाद एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन कैलकुलेट करते हैं। तो पहले यहाँ पे डिवीजन को हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे। 100 डिवाइडेड बाय 5 इज 20, फिर 20 को 136 से सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे। 136 माइनस 20 इज 160। डिवीजन और सब्ट्रैक्शन में पहले डिवीजन हैज हाई प्रेसिडेंट, हाई प्रायोरिटी, then subtraction. तो 136 minus 100 divided by 5 equal to 160. Now we will solve question number 4th bit D. 80 minus 35 multiplied by 2. 80 minus 35 multiplied with 2. As we know from Bodmer's rule, multiplication and division has high priority, high precedence than addition and subtraction. So here multiplication have high priority than subtraction. So we calculate multiplication first, then we subtract. 35 multiplied with 2 is 70. 35 multiplied by 2 is 70. Then we subtract 70 from 80. 80 minus 70 is 10. पहले बोडमास रूल में मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन के बाद एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन करते हैं। मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन हैज हाई प्रायोरिटी, हाई प्रेसिडेंट देन एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन। यहाँ पे डिवीजन, यहाँ पे सब्ट्रैक्शन और मल्टीप्लिकेशन दो कैलकुलेशन है। तो पहले मल्टीप्लिकेशन को कैलकुलेट पहले करेंगे। 35 मल्टीप्लाइड विथ 2 इज 70। फिर हम 70 को फिर सब्ट्रैक्शन को कैलकुलेट करेंगे। 70 को 80 के साथ सब्ट्रैक्ट करने के बाद 80 माइनस 70 इक्वल टू 10. So we get 80 minus 35 multiplied by 2 equal to 10. Now we'll solve question number 5th bit E. 20 plus 15 divided by 3 minus 8. 20 plus 15 divided by 3 minus 8. As we know from Bodmer's rule, first we calculate multiplication and division, then addition and subtraction. Multiplication and division has high priority, high precedence than addition and subtraction. So here first we perform this division. 15 divided by 3 equal to 5. Then addition and subtraction operation are there. If we know addition and subtraction have equal priority, so we know equal priority operation are performed from left to right. So we first perform this calculation addition. 20 plus 5, first we add 20 with 5, 20 plus 5 is 25. Then we subtract. 25 minus 8 is 70. Division has high priority, high precedence than addition and subtraction. So first we perform this division. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Then addition and subtraction has equal priority, equal precedence. So equal priority operation are performed from left to right. So first addition will be performed as it is in left side. So 20 plus 5 is 25. Then subtraction will be performed. 25 minus 8 is 17. पहले यहाँ पे डिवीजन, एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑपरेशन है, तो डिवीजन हैज हाई प्रायोरिटी देन एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन. सो पहले हम डिवीजन को डिवीजन करेंगे. 15 डिवाइडेड बाई 3 इज 5. 15 डिवाइडेड बाई 3 इज 5. फिर एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन में इक्वल प्रायोरिटी होता है, तो एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन इक्वल प्रायोरिटी ऑपरेशन है परफॉर्म फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट. सो पहले यहाँ पे एडिशन लेफ्ट साइड में है, तो 20 को 5 के साथ ऐड करेंगे. 20 प्लस 5 इज 25. फिर सब्ट्रैक्शन कैलकुलेट करेंगे. सब्ट्रैक्ट 25 माइनस 8 इज 70. So we get 20 plus 15 divided by 3 minus 8 equal to 70. Now we will solve question number F bit. 14 multiplied with 17 minus 7. 17 minus 7 is inside the bracket plus 5. 14 multiplied by 17 minus 7 is inside the bracket plus 5. As we know from Bodmas rule, first bracket operation will be performed, then multiplication, division, addition and subtraction will be performed. So first we perform this bracket, that is inside the brackets. Subtraction calculation is there, so we subtract 17 minus 7. 17 minus 7 is 10. Then multiplication, between multiplication and addition, multiplication operation has a high priority than addition. So first we multiply 14 with 10. 14 multiplied with 10, we get 140. Then addition operation will be performed. 114 plus 5 equal to 145. पहले जो ब्रैकेट के अंदर में मल्टीप्लिकेशन, ब्रैकेट के अंदर में है सब्ट्रैक्शन, पहले हम इसको कैलकुलेट करेंगे. 17 माइनस 7 इक्वल टू 10. फिर मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड एडिशन में, मल्टीप्लिकेशन में हाई प्रायोरिटी होता है देन एडिशन. सो पहले हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 14 को 10 के साथ. 14 मल्टीप्लाइड विथ 10 इज 140. फिर एडिशन ऑपरेशन कैलकुलेट करेंगे. 140 प्लस 5 इक्वल टू 145. So we get 14 multiplied with 17 minus 7, that is inside the bracket, plus 5 equal to 145. Now we solve question number G bit. G. 54 divided by 9 plus 3 multiplied with 5. 54 divided by 9 plus 3 multiplied with 5. As we know from Bodmas rule, division and multiplication have high priority, high precedence than addition and subtraction. So we divide 54 with 9 first. 54 divided by 9 equal to 6. And division and multiplication have equal priority, so we perform the equal priority operation from left to right. So here first division operation is in left side, so we perform division first, then we multiply. 54 divided by 9 is 6 plus 3 multiplied with 5. Then we multiply. Between multiplication and addition, multiplication is a high priority than addition, so we multiply. 3 multiplied with 5 is 15. Then addition operation will be performed. 6 plus 15 equal to 21. Division and multiplication have same priority, same precedence, so we equal priority operation are performed from left to right, so division operation will be performed in left side, so division will be performed first. 54 divided by 9 is 6, then multiplication operation will be performed. 6 plus 3 multiplied with 5, and between addition and multiplication have high priority than addition, so multiplication operation will be performed. 3 multiplied by 5 is 15, then addition operation will be performed. 6 plus 15 equal to 21. पहले यहाँ पे डिवीजन और मल्टीप्लिकेशन डिवीजन में इक्वल प्रायोरिटी होता है, तो जो इक्वल प्रायोरिटी ऑपरेशन को लेफ्ट टू राइट कैलकुलेट करते हैं। तो यहाँ पे 54 डिवीजन डिवाइडेड बाय 9 लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में है, तो पहले हम डिवाइड करेंगे 54 एंड 9 को। 54 डिवाइडेड बाय 9 इज 6, फिर 6 प्लस 3 मल्टीप्लाइड विथ 5, एंड एडिशन एंड मल्टीप्लिकेशन में हाई प्रायोरिटी होता है देन एडिशन, तो पहले हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। 3 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 5 इज 15, फिर हम एडिशन ऑपरेशन कैलकुलेट करेंगे। 6 प्लस 15 इज 21, सो वी गेट 54 डिवाइडेड बाय 9 प्लस 3 मल्टीप्लाइड विथ 5 इक्वल टू 21. Now we solve question number H bit. 60 minus 8 multiplied by 12 divided by 3. 60 minus 8 multiplied by 12 divided by 3. Here multiplication and division and subtraction operation are there. As we know from Bodmer's rule, multiplication and division has high priority then subtraction. So division and multiplication operation will be performed first. Division and multiplication have equal priority, so we know equal priority operation are performed from left to right. So here multiplication is in left side first, so we multiply 8 with 12 first. 8 multiplied by 12 is 96. Then division operation will be performed. It's division between subtraction and division. Division operation has high priority than subtraction. So divide 96 divided by 3, we get 32. Then we subtract 32 from 60. Subtraction will be performed. Then 60 minus 32 equal to 28. As we know from Bodmer's rule, division and multiplication have higher priority than addition and subtraction. So division and multiplication will be performed first. But division and multiplication has equal priority, so division and multiplication are performed from left to right. Here multiplication operation is in left side, so multiplication will be performed first. 8 multiplied by 14, 8 multiplied with 12 is 96. Then division and subtraction, between division and subtraction, division has high precedence, high priority than subtraction. So 96 divided by 3, we get 32. Then subtraction operation will be performed. 60 minus 32 is 28. पहले इन बोडमास रूल में डिवीजन एंड मल्टीप्लिकेशन परफॉर्म होता है, कैलकुलेट होता है बिफोर सब्ट्रैक्शन, और मल्टीप्लिकेशन डिवीजन में इक्वल प्रायोरिटी होता है, इक्वल प्रेसिडेंट होता है, तो इक्वल प्रायोरिटी ऑपरेशन को हम लेफ्ट टू राइट कैलकुलेट करते हैं। तो यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लिकेशन इज इन लेफ्ट साइड, सो मल्टीप्लाई पहले करेंगे 8 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 12 के साथ। 8 मल्टीप्लाइड विथ 12 इज 96, फिर हम 96 को 3 के साथ डिवाइड करेंगे। एज इन बोडमास रूल, डिवीजन हैज हाई प्रायोरिटी, डिवीजन हैज हाई प्रायोरिटी देन सब्ट्रैक्शन, सो 96 को 3 के साथ डिवाइड करने के बाद हमको मिला 32, फिर सब्ट्रैक्शन हम करेंगे। 60 माइनस 32 इज 28, so we get 60 minus 8 multiplied by 12 divided by 3 equal to 28. Now we solve question number I bit. 15 divided by 3 multiplied by 5. 15 divided by 3 multiplied with 5. In Bodmer's rule, division and multiplication have equal priority, so equal priority operation are performed from left to right. So here 15 divided by 3 is in left side, so we divide division operation will be performed first. So we divide 15 divided by 3, we get 5, then multiplication operation will be performed. 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. बर्मास रूल में डिवीजन एंड मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑपरेशन में इक्वल प्रायोरिटी होता है, तो डिवीजन एंड मल्टीप्लिकेशन को हम लेफ्ट टू राइट कैलकुलेट करेंगे। तो यहाँ पे डिवीजन लेफ्ट साइड में है, तो पहले डिवीजन ऑपरेशन कैलकुलेट होगा। 15 डिवाइडेड बाई 3 इज 5, फिर मल्टीप्लिकेशन को कैलकुलेट करेंगे। 5 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 5 इज 25, सो वी गेट 15 डिवाइडेड बाई 3 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 5 equal to 25. Now we will solve bit number J. 18 divided by 6 divided by 3. 6 divided by 3 is inside the bracket. As we know from Burma's rule, bracket inside the bracket operation will be performed first. So we perform division operation is inside the bracket. So we divide 6 divided by 3 is 2. Then division operation will be performed. 18 divided by 2 is 9. बर्मास रूल में जो ब्रैकेट के अंदर में होता है, पहले उसको हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे। तो यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट के अंदर में है 6 डिवीजन। 6 डिवाइडेड बाई 3 को हम पहले कैलकुलेट करेंगे। 6 डिवाइडेड बाई 3 इज 2, फिर डिवीजन कैलकुलेट करेंगे। 18 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 इज 9, सो वी गेट 18 So we get 18 divided by 6 divided by 3, that is inside the bracket, equal to 9. Now we will solve question number K bit. K. 20 divided by 4, that is inside the bracket, divided by 5. 20 divided by 4 is inside the bracket, divided by 5. As we know from Burma's rule, first bracket operation will be performed, then division. That is in bracket operation, division is there, so we calculate division first. 20 divided by 4 is 5. Then division operation will be performed. 5 divided by 5 is 1. बर्मास रूल में पहले हम ब्रैकेट ऑपरेशन को कैलकुलेट करते हैं। तो यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट के अंदर में डिवीजन है, तो पहले हम डिवाइड करेंगे। 20 डिवाइड बाई 4 इज 5, फिर 5 को 5 के साथ डिवाइड करेंगे, डिवीजन ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म होगा। 5 डिवाइडेड बाई 5 इज 1, सो वी गेट 20 डिवाइडेड बाई 4, दैट इज इनसाइड द ब्रैकेट, डिवाइडेड बाई 5 इक्वल टू 1. Now we will solve question number L bit. L. 4 multiplied by 5 plus 8 divided by 2 minus 7. 4 multiplied by 5 plus 8 divided by 2 minus 7. From Burma's rule, first we will calculate multiplication and division, then addition and subtraction. Here multiplication and division and addition and subtraction operation are there. So multiplication and division have higher precedence than addition and subtraction. So multiplication and division operation will be performed first. And multiplication and division has equal priority. Multiplication and division have equal priority, so they perform from left to right. Equal priority operation are performed from left to right. So multiplication and division will be performed from left to right. Here in left side, first multiplication is there, so we multiply first, then division. 4 multiplied by 5 is 20. Then division will be performed. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Then between addition and subtraction has equal priority, so equal priority operation are performed from left to right. So we add 20 and 4 first, as operation addition is in left side, so left side operation will be performed first. 20 plus 4 is 24. Then we subtract 24 minus 7. Subtraction will be performed. Sub 24 minus 7 is 17. यहाँ पे पहले हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन, एडिशन, डिवीजन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑपरेशन है। तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन में पहले हाई प्रायोरिटी होता है एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन से। तो पहले हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन को परफॉर्म करेंगे, कैलकुलेट करेंगे, फिर एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन को। Multiplication and division have equal priority, so equal priority operation are performed from left to right. So multiplication and division equal priority है, तो यहाँ पे equal priority operation को left to right ऑपरेट करेंगे। तो यहाँ पे multiplication लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में है, तो पहले हम multiply फर्स्ट करेंगे, फिर division करेंगे। तो पहले 4 multiplied by 5 is 20, फिर division हम करेंगे 8 divided by 2 is 4, 20 प्लस 4 माइनस 7। फिर एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन में इक्वल प्रायोरिटी होता है, तो इक्वल प्रायोरिटी ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म होता है लेफ्ट टू राइट। तो यहाँ पे एडिशन लेफ्ट साइड में है, फर्स्ट हम एडिशन करेंगे, फिर सब्ट्रैक्शन करेंगे। 20 प्लस 4 इज 24, 24 माइनस 7 इज, फिर सब्ट्रैक्शन करेंगे, 24 माइनस 7 इज 17। So we get 4 multiplied with 5 plus 8 divided by 2 minus 7 equal to 17. Now we'll solve question number M bit M. 19 minus 15 divided by 5 minus 16. 19 minus 15 divided by 5 minus 16. From Bodmer's rule, multiplication and division operation will be calculated first, then subtraction and addition. So here division and subtraction operation are there. So first we divide this operation. 15 divided by 5 is 3. Then we calculate subtraction. 19 minus 3 equal to 16. A subtraction has equal priority. Subtraction and addition, here addition is not there, so subtraction operation performed from left to right. So first we subtract 19 minus 3. 19 minus 3 is 16. Then subtract 16. 16 minus 16 equal to 0. पहले मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन ऑपरेशन के बाद हम सब एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन करते हैं इन बर्मास रूल में। तो यहाँ पे सब्ट्रैक्शन एंड डिवीजन ऑपरेशन है, तो फर्स्ट वी डिवाइड दिस नंबर एज डिवीजन हैज हाई प्रेसिडेंस, हाई प्रायोरिटी, देन सब्ट्रैक्शन। सो वी तो पहले डिवाइड करेंगे, 15 डिवाइडेड बाई 5 इज 3। फिर सब्ट्रैक्शन में इक्वल प्रायोरिटी होता है सब्ट्रैक्शन, तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड सब्ट्रैक्शन सब्ट्रैक्शन परफॉर्म फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट। तो यहाँ पे 19 माइनस 3 को पहले हम करेंगे, 19 माइनस 3 इज 16, फिर सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे 16 से, 16 माइनस 16 इक्वल टू 0। So we get 19 minus 15 divided by 5 minus 16 equal to 0. Now we will solve question number n bit n. 8 multiplied by 7 minus 2, that is inside the bracket, divided by 5 minus 8. 8 multiplied by 7 minus 2 inside the bracket, divided by 5 minus 8. As we know from Burma's rule, bracket operation will be performed first. So first we inside the bracket subtraction is there, so 7 minus 2 we get 5. First bracket operation will be performed, so we get 7 minus 2 equal to 5. Then multiplication and division and subtraction operation are there. As we know from Burma's rule, multiplication and division has a high priority than addition and subtraction. So we multiplication and division operation will be performed first. So here multiplication and division has high equal priority. Multiplication and division has equal priority. So equal priority operation are performed from left to right. So here we perform multiplication first, then division will be performed. So 8 multiplied by 5 we get 40. Then we divide 40 divided by 5. 40 divided by 5 is 8. Then we subtract 8 minus 8 is 0. यहाँ पे पहले डिवीजन अकॉर्डिंग टू बॉडमास रूल में पहले ब्रैकेट ऑपरेशन कैलकुलेट करते हैं। ब्रैकेट के इनसाइड द ब्रैकेट के अंदर में है सब्ट्रैक्शन, तो पहले हम सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे 7 माइनस 2 इक्वल टू 5। फिर मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन में मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन हाई प्रायोरिटी होता है, देन एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन। तो पहले हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन करेंगे, फिर सब्ट्रैक्शन करेंगे। फिर मल्टीप्लिकेशन डिवीजन इक्वल प्रायोरिटी होता है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन डिवीजन। तो इक्वल प्रायोरिटी ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म होता है लेफ्ट टू राइट से। तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन में यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लिकेशन लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में है, तो पहले हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 8 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 5 इज 40। फिर 40 8 मल्टीप्लाइड विथ 5 इज 40। फिर 40 को डिवाइड करेंगे 5 के साथ, 40 डिवाइडेड बाई 5, 40 डिवाइड बाई 5 इज 8। फिर सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑपरेशन कैलकुलेट करेंगे, सब्ट्रैक्शन कैलकुलेट करेंगे 8 माइनस 8 इज 0। So we get 8 multiplied with 7 minus 2, that is inside the bracket, divided by 5 minus 8 equal to 0. Now we will solve question number O bit. O 72 divided by 9 plus 0 multiplied by 8, that is inside the bracket, divided by 8. 72 divided by 9 plus 0 multiplied by 8, that is inside the bracket, divided by 8. As you know from Bodmas rule, first bracket operation will be perform first, as bracket has high priority, high precedence, then all operation. So inside the bracket 9 plus 0 multiplied by 8 is there, so we perform this operation. We calculate this 9 plus 0 multiplied by 8. 9 plus 0 multiplied by 8 is 0. Multiplication and between multiplication and addition, multiplication is high priority, so we multiply 0 multiplied by 8 is first, then we add with 9. 9 plus 0 is inside the bracket, so we calculate this inside the bracket operation. 9 plus 0 is 9. We get 72 divided by 9 divided by 8. Then between this division operation, division has high priority, division has equal priority, here only division operation is here, so division equal priority operation perform from left to right. So we divide 72 with 9 first. Now 72 divided by 9 is 8, then divided by 8. 8 divided by 8, 8 divided by 8 is 1. यहाँ पे पहले डिविज ब्रैकेट बॉडमास रूल में ब्रैकेट ऑपरेशन को पहले कैलकुलेट करते हैं। ब्रैकेट इज हाई प्रायोरिटी, हाई प्रेसिडेंस, देन ऑल अदर ऑपरेशन। तो पहले हम 9 प्लस 0 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 8 को कैलकुलेट करेंगे। यहाँ पे एडिशन एंड मल्टीप्लिकेशन में मल्टीप्लिकेशन इज हाई प्रायोरिटी होता है, देन एडिशन। तो पहले हम 0 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 8 करेंगे। 0 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 8 इज 0। फिर 9 को ऐड करेंगे 0 के साथ, 9 प्लस 0 इज 9, वी गेट 9। फिर 72 डिवाइडेड बाय 9 डिवाइडेड बाय 8, डिवीजन ऑपरेशन है, तो पहले हम लेफ्ट टू राइट करेंगे डिवीजन ऑपरेशन को। लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में 72 डिवाइडेड बाय 9, पहले 72 डिवाइडेड बाय 9 करेंगे। 72 डिवाइडेड बाय 9 इज 8। फिर 8 डिवाइडेड बाय 8, फिर डिवाइड करेंगे 8 के साथ, 8 डिवाइडेड बाय 8 इज 1। सो वी गेट 72 divided by 9 plus 0 multiplied by 8 is inside the bracket, divided by 8 equal to 1. Now we will solve question number 3. Question number 3 is insert the suitable parentheses to make each statement true. First bit is A 24 minus 8 divided by 4 multiplied by 2 equal to 20. The left hand side is 24 minus 8 divided by 4 multiplied with 2. We have to equal to right hand side, that is 20. In right hand side 20 is there, so we have to add the parentheses in such a way we get 20. 24 minus 8 divided by 4 multiplied with 2. Here if we add this bracket here, 8 divided by 4 multiplied with 2. 4 multiplied 8 divided by 2 is 8 divided by 4, we get 2. Division and multiplication is equal priority, so division operation will be performed from left to right. So 8 divided by 4 is 2, then we multiply with 2, 2 multiplied with 2 is 4, then subtract. 24 minus 4 is 20, so we get 20. So here we have to add this bracket, 8 divided by 4 multiplied with 2 inside the bracket. Now we will solve question number B. 24 minus 8 divided by 4 multiplied by 2 equal to 23. Here left hand side is 24 minus 8 divided by 4 multiplied with 2, and right hand side is 23. We add the parentheses in such a way that we get the number 23, that is equal to 24 minus 8 divided by 4 multiplied with 2 equal to 23. So we add this parenthesis here. 4 multiplied by 2 is inside the bracket. 24 minus 8 divided by 4 multiplied with 2. 4 multiplied by 2 is inside the bracket. 4 multiplied by 2 inside the bracket will be first, that will be calculated first. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. Then division operation will be performed. 8 divided by 8 is 1. Then subtraction will be performed. 24 minus 1 is 23. So we get 24 minus 8 divided by 4 multiplied by 2 equal to 23. So in 4 multiplied by 2, here we insert the bracket. 4 multiplied by 2 is inside the bracket. 24 minus 8 divided by 4 multiplied by 2. 4 multiplied by 2 inside the bracket equal to 23. Now we solve question number C. Question number C bit. 24 minus 8 divided by 4 multiplied with 2 equal to 8. The left hand side is 24 minus 8 divided by 4 multiplied by 2. We add the parenthesis in such a way that we get the number 8, that is equal to 24 minus 8 divided by 4 multiplied by 2 equal to 8. 24 minus 8, we add the parenthesis 24 minus 8 is inside the bracket. 24 minus 8 inside the bracket will be performed first, as bracket operation will be performed first, then all other operation. 24 minus 8 is 16. Bracket is high priority, then all other operations. So bracket operation will be performed first. So 24 minus 8 is 16. 16 divided by 4 multiplied with 2. Between multiplication and division has equal priority. So equal priority operation are performed from left to right. So first we perform this division. 16 divided by 4. 16 divided by 4 is 4. 16 divided by 4 is left hand side. So we perform left hand side operation. 16 divided by 4. First we divide 16 with 4. 16 divided by 4 is 4. Then we multiply with 2. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. So we get 8, that is equal to the right hand side. So in 24 minus 8, we add the parenthesis in between. We add the parenthesis 24 minus 8 inside the bracket. We add 24 minus 8 inside the bracket. 24 minus 8 is inside the bracket, divided by 4 multiplied by 2 equal to 8. Now we'll solve question number D. D bit. 24 minus 8 divided by 4 multiplied with 2 equal to 44. The left hand side is 24 minus 8 divided by 4 multiplied with 2. We insert the parenthesis in such a way that we get the number 44 equal to 44. Here we add the parenthesis 24 minus 8 divided by 4 inside the bracket multiplied with 2. As you know from BODMAS rule, we bracket operation will be performed first, then all other operations. So first we perform this bracket operation. Inside the bracket 24 minus 8 divided by 4. Here between division and subtraction, division has high priority than subtraction. So first we divide, division operation will be performed first. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Then subtraction will be performed. For 24 minus 2, 24 minus 2 is inside the bracket. So subtraction will be performed. 24 minus 2 is 22. Multiplied with 2. Then multiplication will be performed. 22 multiplied with 2 is 44. That is equal to right hand side. So we add the parenthesis 24 minus 8 divided by 4 inside the bracket. 24 minus 8 divided by 4 inside the bracket multiplied by 2 equal to 44. So we insert the parenthesis inside the 24 minus 8 divided by 4 inside the parenthesis multiplied by 2 equal to 44. Now we will solve question number E bit. E. 7 plus 2 multiplied by 6 minus 4 minus 3 equal to 53. Left hand side is 7 plus 2 multiplied by 6 minus 4 minus 3. We insert the parenthesis in such a way that we get the number equal to 53. We insert the parenthesis 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2 is inside the bracket multiplied by 6. 7 plus 2 multiplied by 6, that is another parenthesis inside the parenthesis. Then minus 4 minus 3 is also inside the parenthesis. So we get 7 plus 2. Now we get 7 plus 2 is inside the bracket multiplied by 6. We know from BODMAS rule, inside the bracket operation will be performed first. So inside the parenthesis there is another parenthesis. So inside the parenthesis will be performed first. Inner parenthesis is 7 plus 2. So that will be performed first. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 multiplied by 6, that is inside the parenthesis. Now bracket operation will be performed first, then subtraction. So 9 multiplied by 6 is inside the bracket, that will be performed first. 9 multiplied by 6 is 54. 54, then minus 1. Then we subtract 1 from 54. 54 minus 1 is 53. That is equal to right hand side. So here in this statement, we insert the parenthesis 7 plus 2 inside the bracket multiplied by 6, that whole inside the bracket, minus 4 minus 3 is inside the bracket equal to 53. Now we will solve question number F bit. F. 16 multiplied by 3 minus 2 divided by 4 equal to 4. The left hand side is 16 multiplied by 3 minus 2 multiplied with 4. We add the parenthesis in such a way that we get the number equal to 4. So 16 multiplied by 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 will be inside the bracket divided by 4. 3 minus 2 inside the bracket, that will be performed first, that As we know from Bodmer's rule, bracket operation will be performed first, then multiplication and division. So 3 minus 2 inside the bracket, that will be performed first. 3 minus 2 equal to 1. Then between multiplication and division has equal priority. So equal priority operation are performed from left to right. So first we perform 16 multiplied with 1. Multiplication will be performed first as it is in left hand side. 16 multiplied by 1 we get 16. Then division operation will be performed. 16 division 4. 16 divided by 4 we get 4, that is equal to right hand side. So here we add the parenthesis 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 inside the parenthesis. So 16 multiplied by 3 minus 2, that is inside the bracket, divided by 4 equal to 4. Now we will solve question number G with G. 8 multiplied by 0 plus 4 minus 5 equal to 27. Left hand side 8 multiplied by 0 plus 4 minus 5. We add the parenthesis in such a way that we get the number equal to 27. 8 multiplied by 0 plus 4. 0 plus 4 is inside the bracket minus 5. We add the parenthesis 0 plus 4 inside the bracket. 0 plus 4, as we know from Bodmer's rule, bracket operation will be performed first. 0 plus 4, that is inside the bracket, that will be performed first. 0 plus 4 is 4. Then between multiplication and subtraction, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. So multiplication operation will be performed first. 8 multiplied by 4 is 32. Then subtraction will be performed. Subtraction 32 minus 5. 32 minus 5 is 27. That is equal to right hand side. So here we add the parenthesis 0 plus 4. Inside the parenthesis 0 plus 4. So 8 multiplied by 0 plus 4. 0 plus 4 inside the bracket minus 5 equal to 27. Now we will solve question number H with H. 26 minus 26 divided by 5 plus 8 multiplied by 7 equal to 14. Here left hand side is 26 divided by 5 plus 8 multiplied by 7. We add the parenthesis in such a way that we get the number equal to 14. 26 divided by, we add the parenthesis 5 plus 8. 5 plus 8 is inside the bracket multiplied by 7. We add the parenthesis inside the 5 plus 8. 5 plus 8 is inside the bracket. So 26 divided by 5 plus 8 inside the bracket multiplied by 7. As we know from Bodmer's rule, bracket operation will be performed first. Bracket has higher priority than all other operations. 5 plus 8 equal to 13. Then between multiplication and division has equal priority. So equal priority operation are performed from left to right. Here in left hand side division is there, so we calculate division operation performed first. 26 divided by 13, that is in left hand side, so we divide first, then multiplication. 26 divided by 13 is 2, then multiply with 7. Then multiplication operation will be performed. 2 multiplied by 7 is 14, that is equal to right hand side. So we add the parenthesis 26 divided by 5 plus 8. 5 plus 8 is inside the bracket multiplied by 7 equal to 14. Now we solve question number 4. Question number 4 is compare and write greater than equal to greater than, less than, equal to in the blank places. First bit is 7 multiplied by 4 minus 3 dash 7 multiplied by 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is inside the bracket. The left hand side is 7 multiplied by 4 minus 3. Between multiplication and subtraction, multiplication has high priority than subtraction. So multiplication will be performed first, then subtraction. 7 multiplied by 4 is 28. 28 minus 3 is 25. We get 25 in left hand side. Then right hand side 7 multiplied by 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is inside the bracket. As we know from BODMAS rule, bracket operation will be performed first. So 4 minus 3 inside the bracket, that will be performed first. So 4 minus 3 equal to 1. Then multiplied with 7. 7 multiplied with 1 is 1. We know any whole number multiplied by 1, we get the same whole number. 7 multiplied by 1 is 7. In left hand side we get 25. In right hand side we get the number 7. 25, we know 25 is greater than 7. So 7 multiplied by 4 minus 3 is greater than 7 multiplied by 4 minus 3. That is inside the bracket. Now question number B. 60 divided by 5 multiplied by 4 dash 60 divided by 5 multiplied by 4. 5 multiplied by 4 is inside the bracket. Your left hand side is 60 divided by 5 multiplied by 4. 60 divided by 5 multiplied by 4. As we know from BODMAS rule, multiplication and division have equal priority. So equal priority operation are performed from left to right. Your division is in left hand side, then division and multiplication in division and multiplication. Division is in left hand side. First we we divide 60 with 5. 60 divided by 5 is 12. Then we multiply. 12 multiplied by 4 is 48. We get 48 in left hand side. Then right hand side 60 divided by 5 multiplied by 4. 5 multiplied by 4 is in bracket. As we know from BODMAS rule, bracket operation will be performed first, then all other operation. So bracket, inside the bracket will be performed first. 5 multiplied by 4, we get 20. Then we divide. 60 divided by 20 equal to 3. We know we get the number 48 in left hand side, and right hand side we get the number 3. We know 48 is greater than 3. So 60 divided by 5 multiplied by 4 is greater than 60 divided by 5 multiplied by 4. 5 multiplied by 4 is inside the bracket. Now we will solve question number C bit. C. 8 plus 12, that is inside the bracket, divided by 4 dash 8 plus 12 divided by 4. The left hand side is 8 plus 12 inside the bracket divided by 4. We know from BODMAS rule, bracket operation will be performed first, then all other operation. So bracket will be performed first. 8 plus 12 inside the bracket. 8 plus 12 is 20. Then we divide. 20 divided by 4 is 5. We get 5 in left hand side. Then in right hand side 8 plus 12 divided by 4. We know division has high priority than addition. So we first divide. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Then we add. 8 plus 3 is 11. We get the number 5 in left hand side and we get the number 11 in right hand side. We know 5 is less than 11. So 8 plus 12 that is inside the bracket divided by 4 is less than 8 plus 12 divided by 4. Now we will solve question number D bit. D 23 minus 18 plus 7 dash 15 divided by 3 plus 7. Your left hand side is 23 minus 18 plus 7. We know from Bodmer's rule addition and subtraction have equal priority. So equal priority operation are performed from left to right. Here left hand side subtraction is there, so we calculate subtraction first. 23 minus 18 we get 5. Then we add 7. 5 plus 7 we get 12. We get 12 in left hand side. Then in right hand side 15 divided by 3 plus 7. We know from Bodmer's rule between division and addition, division has a high priority than addition. 15 divided by 3 is 5 plus 7. Then we add 5 plus 7 equal to 12. We get left hand side 12 and in right hand side also we get 12. 12 equal to 12. So 23 minus 18 plus 7 equal to 15 divided by 3 plus 7. Now we'll solve question number 5. Question number 5 is find the value of first bit is 1025 divided by 25 that is inside the bracket divided by 205 divided by 5 that is also inside the bracket. 1025 divided by 25 inside the bracket divided by 205 divided by 5 that is inside the bracket. 1025 divided by 25 that is inside the bracket, that will be performed first. As we know from Bodmer's rule, bracket operation will be performed first. 1025 divided by 25 that will be performed first. 1025 divided by 25 equal to 41. 41 divided by 205 divided by 5 that is inside the bracket, that will be performed. 205 divided by 5 we get 41. Then we divide 41 divided by 41 equal to 1. We get 1. So we get 1025 divided by 25 that is inside the bracket divided by 205 divided by 5 that is also inside the bracket equal to 1. Now we solve question number second bit B. 1500 divided by 1500 that is inside the bracket multiplied with 165 divided by 165 that is also inside the bracket. 1500 divided by 1500 that is inside the bracket, that will be performed first. As we know from Bodmer's rule, bracket operation will be performed first. 1500 divided by 1500 is 1 multiplied with 165 divided by 165. 165 divided by 165 that is also inside the bracket. So that will be performed first. 165 divided by 165 we get 1. Now we multiply 1 multiplied with 1 we get 1. We get the value 1. So we get 1500 divided by 1500 that is inside the bracket multiply with 165 divided by 165 that is also inside the bracket equal to 1. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel, and if you have any doubt then please write in comment section. Keep learning, keep watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. If If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep watching. Thank you.